Hi, good morning, dear students. The last class we discussed about the data structure chapter. You know about data structure. Data structure nothing but it is a specialized format for storing a data. Okay, data structure means data types. Okay, there are two types of data types we have. Sorry, about data structure. One is primitive data structure. Second one is a non-primitive data structure. Okay, primitive data structure already you studied, int, char, float, double. Okay, these are the primitive data structure. Always where you have to use when you writing a programs, must and should. Without data type we cannot write any program. If you they what purpose you have to use these data types, because it is storing the data in systematic manner, it is storing values in systematic manner. Okay, then we discuss about the non-primitive data structure. Non-primitive data structure we have two types of non-primitive data structure. One is a linear data structure, second one is a non-linear data structure. In linear data structure we have studied about array. Okay, then what is array? Array nothing but it is how to declare array. You know, array can be declared by using int, then a of 10. This is nothing but array. How many elements you can store in this? See, 10 values you can store in this. Always array will be start with the 0. Okay, array will be start with the 0. There is a always it is a positive number. ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ positive number ಇರುತ್ತೆ. This is nothing but always it has a subscript. Okay, this is you have to remember. Last class we discussed about the array. Okay, types of array, then characteristics of array, then operations on a array. See, there are how many operations in array? There are 5 operations on array. In that you discuss about the first one, traversing. Traversing nothing but the here the each element can be visited exactly once. Each element in this array, for example, first one a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, like this. The each element will be travel exactly once. Okay, that is called traversing. Okay, traversing means data will be flow from one point to another point in program. Okay, that is called traversing. Last class we discussed about this. That is the first operation on a array. The second operation is called searching. What is searching? Searching means finding the location of a element. Okay, that is called what? A searching. In the process of finding the location where our data will be stored. Okay, see, that is called searching. Then for example, this is we have on this these values. I want to find, I want the location of a 45 will be stored there. In which location 45 will be stored? See, for always array will be start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then always the array will be stored with a of 0, a of 1, that is 20 will be stored, in a of 2, 30 will be stored, in a of 3, 45, in a of 4, 52. Okay, then they are asking what? Find the location of 45. 45 will be stored in a of 3 location. In a of 3 the 45 will be stored. We know that answer, but computer is a machine. You have to give the correct instruction through algorithms. Through algorithms you have to give this some instruction to the computer. Then you can give 100 elements. Within a second it gives the answer in which location that element will be stored. Okay, for example, I have just 5 elements now. Okay, if you give if you have 1,000 elements, then I want one location, any one location. It's very difficult for me, but it is very easy for the computer when you given correct instruction to the computer. Okay, that's why it gives accurate result when you given correct instruction to the computer through program or through algorithm. Okay, see, then the last class we discussed about the searching. Searching means it is a process of finding the location of a element. That is called searching. There are how many types of searching we have? There are two types of searching. One is a linear search, second one is a binary search. Okay, linear search means you have to finding the location. Your element means 45 can be compared with all these elements. 45 ನ ನೀವು ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಜೊತೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್, that method is called a linear search method ಅಂತಾರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. Okay, the second method is binary search. What is binary search? You have to compare your element with the middle element. Okay, you have to compare your element with the middle element. That type of searching is called binary search. Okay, what is binary search ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು 45 ನ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. Okay, you have to compare with the middle element. Middle element ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? See first, which is the middle element in this 32. 45 is equal to 32. No, then you have to go to next process. Okay, this is what this process is called. What this process is called ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ binary search ಅಂತಾರೆ. Okay, binary search is very quick method, but one condition in binary search, ನೀವು binary search ನ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, if you want to find the location by using binary search, must and should all elements are in a sorted order. Okay, all elements are in sorted order ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. See, always the all elements are in a sorted order, then only you have to finding the location of element, otherwise it's not possible. Okay, always these are in sorted order, in ascending order. What? Okay, it is in ascending order ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ elements, otherwise you cannot do any binary search method. Okay, but in linear search the elements are in zigzag order also, no problem. But in binary search one condition is there. Okay, all when you are doing binary search through binary search method, must and should all elements are in a sorted order. Okay, this is you have to remember. Okay, the next see, then how to solve the problem. How to solve this problem by using this binary search method. See, one problem ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ, this is for 5 marks. Okay, compulsory ಒಂದು problem in binary search ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. See how to solve this problem. It's very easy. First of all, they are given using binary search method, find the location of 45. Find the location of 45. Already I know the answer also. Okay, 45 ಆ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ in a of 3, but computer does not know how it will check. That is called binary search. Okay, see, binary search ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ, find the location of 45. How to find the location of 45? See, first take one array ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ. See, I am taking in a array. How many elements you have? 5 elements. First element is 15, 20, 32, 45, then 50. Just this is a of 0, this is a of 1, this is a of 2, this is a of 3, this is a of 4. Okay, see, like this you have to write it first. Okay, then take one heading name variable, then comparison. Variable and comparison. Okay, see, this is, you know, on binary search always you are getting a three variables. One is beginning, end, then middle element. See, beginning element ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? This is beginning element, beginning. This is ending element, end. Okay, this is you have to remember. Then variable first beginning ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? Beginning equal to 0. Don't take this value, you have to take this location, beginning location is 0. Then ending location is which one? Ending location equal to 4. Then how to find the middle? You know algorithm for a binary search. How to find the middle element? Mid equal to, formula is there, beginning plus end by 2. Beginning plus end by 2, that is the formula to find the middle element. Now middle element is equal to 0 plus 4. 0 plus 4 nothing but 4. 4 by 2. 4 by 2 how much? Equal to 2. Okay, then now my element how find ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? My element is 45 equal to 2 ದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ element 2? In 2 you have which element? 32. You have to compare 45 is equal to 32. Is it true or false? It is false. False means 45 is not equal to 32. Then 45 is greater than 32. Is it right? Greater ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ in algorithm ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. Okay, greater means you have to write beginning equal to mid plus 1. This if you have a greater 45 is greater itandre you have to use this beginning equal to mid plus 1. If it is less than, then you have to use formula end equal to mid minus 1. Less than itandre end equal to mid minus 1. Greater itandre which formula you have to apply? Beginning equal to mid plus 1. Mid andre ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್. You have 2. 2 is the plus 1. How much? Answer is 3. Mid plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Next time ಇದೇ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಹುಡುಗರು. See beginning next time ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? beginning next time ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 3 ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. beginning equal to 3. then end change ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. end is same ಇರುತ್ತೆ 4. then next middle. how to find the mid? You have a formula beginning plus end by 2. See beginning 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 means 7. 7 by 2. 7 by 2 means 3.5. 7 by 2 means 3.5. Don't take 3.5. Just take a 3 only because this is array. Array means don't have any point. Okay, just you have to take 3. Now next take my 45. My element is 45. 45 equal to 3. 3 ದಲ್ಲಿ element ಯಾವುದಿದೆ? Just 3 ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? 45. is it right? 45 equal to 45. yes means the location equal to yes to 3. location is 3. this is only in a 2 step we are getting answer. okay, only in a 2 step we are getting a answer how to find the location of a 45. but you have to take linear search method. it takes 4 steps. 4 steps ಅಲ್ಲಿ linear search ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. but ಇಲ್ಲಿ here in a binary search we have only in a 2 step we are getting the answer. it is a quick method. okay, but see you have to compare your element with the middle element. okay, that's why here middle element you have to compare your element with the middle element. that is called a binary search ಅಂತಾರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. this is problem asked already 4 times in an annual exam. okay, this is very important. like this you have to do this problem. okay, the next one is I am given a next problem. same problem I am given. okay, same problem irutte but we have to finding the location of 15. okay, how to finding the location of 15 the location ಏನಿದೆ? 0. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? 0 ಬರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಹೌ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ 15? ಸಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ questions you have. how to find this is same problem I given. I want to find the location of 15 means ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? 0 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ 15? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ? 0. ದೆನ್ ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 4 ಇದೆ. 5 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ mid. how to find the mid equal to beginning plus end by 2. beginning ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 plus 4 by 2. how much? 0 plus 4 by 2 how much? answer is 4 by 2. answer is 2. okay, then my element is 15. now I'm finding the location of 15 is equal to ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ 2 ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 2 into you have a 32. 15 is equal to 32? no means that 15 is less than 32. 15 is less ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ which element which formula you have to write? ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೀವು ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ end equal to mid minus 1. mid ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? mid means 2 minus 1. how much? 2 minus 1 means 1. next time the beginning ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? beginning equal to ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, no change 0. then end change ಆಗಿದೆ. 4 ಇದ್ದದ್ದು end ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 4 ಇದ್ದದ್ದು end 1 ಆಗಿದೆ. just end equal to 1. then middle equal to 0 plus 1 by 2. 0 plus 1 0 plus 1 means 1. 1 by 2 means 1 by 2 means 0.5. 0.5 means you have to 0.5 na ignore madri, just you are getting answer 0. Yakandre in array you are not using any point. They always it is a whole number. Subscript have only whole number, integer constant. That's why array don't take 0. See, okay, then 15. Now element is 15. Then 0. In 0 which element you have? In 0 you have a 15. 15 equal to 15. Yes, yes means location. Now location location equal to 0. Okay, this is the answer. Lastly you have to write 15 is found in 0 location, in a of 0 location. Then you have to write 15 is found in a of 0 location. This is for 5 marks question. No, e type questions nimge kodtare. Okay, this is the how to find the binary search. Got it? Then next ಇನ್ನೊಂದು problem ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. Okay, see, the next problem is see, the next is I am just given 10, 20, then 35, 30, 35, then 40, then 50. Okay, then I want to find the location of 30. Find the location of 30. Okay, find the location of 30. How to find this? Find the location of 30 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. See, just you have to check it. Here you can write, just remove this. First is 10, 20, then 30, then 35, then 40, then next one is 50. 50 comes in a of 5. A of 5. Got it? See, now just remove this. Now go for a problem variable, then you have to write comparison bagi that beginning ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ always beginning 0 ನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ starting ಇದು ನೆನಪಿಡ್ರಿ. Okay, at beginning is 0, then end ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, end means you have only 6 elements. 6 element means an array, ಅದು ಏನು a of 5. See, end is 5. Then how to find the middle element ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 plus 5 by 2, how much? 2.5 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು 2.5 ಬರಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. in array you have to write 2. then my comparison element is 30. first ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು 30 equal to 2 ದಲ್ಲಿ in which element you have, in 2 which element you have, in 2 we have 30 equal to 30. yes means the location equal to this much only. You are getting 5 marks. Got it? Like these problems are asked in exams. Okay na? See, these type of problems asked in the exam, there are so many problems already I am solving. Okay, just you have to see these problems. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ if you are getting, see, 30 is greater than 15, then which formula you have to apply here? Beginning equal to mid plus 1. Okay, if you are getting for example, if you getting 30 is less than 45, like this, if you are getting me, you have to use the formula end equal to mid minus 1. These two from formulas you have to remember. Okay, and this formula, only 3 formula you have to remember. How to find the middle element, how to find the beginning, how to find the end. Less than symbol ittandre you have to use this formula. Greater than symbol means you have to use this formula. Beginning equal to mid minus mid plus 1, greater plus, or then this lesser means minus. Okay, you have to remember this. end equal to mid minus 1 this formula, then beginning equal to mid plus 1. Like these problems I am solving. Okay, in already I am solving 8 to 10 problems for on binary search. Okay, you can solve these problems. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay, this is what this is about the binary search. So please solve the problem. Already I am sending the full notes. Okay, write these notes and watch this video. Definitely you can understand. You can watch this video repeatedly, then only you have to see it. Okay, you can learn it. Got it? Okay, thank you for watching this video.